Colleen here, DIYer behind LemonThistle.com. Today I'm excited to show you how to make these fun pocket tees that I made with my Cricut. I really like these tees because I love the look of all the lettering on that pocket space there. My kids love getting to decide what they're gonna say, and when it's all said and done, they have a really cool looking shirt. Bonus points, it uses up scraps of iron-on material. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would so love if you did that below so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Okay, let's get started. I started these from scratch. I just opened up a new project and started typing the words that I wanted. But if you like the ones that I have here, I have saved those as a public project so you can go and you can make them. They are sized for my pocket tees, so you might have to adjust the size of the designs a little bit, but they're ready to go. I like to have them line up and kind of fill the pocket. So I measured my pocket with a measuring tape, and then I sized all my words to fit inside that space. So for me, that was about 2.4 inches. The font that I used here is called A Frightful Affair, and it is a multi-layer font, but I just chose to use the bottom layer. You could also choose to use the top layer if you'd prefer. I really like the block letters and how this turned out. I think it works perfect for these sayings, but if I was going to do a tee for my daughter, I might choose something a little bit cleaner. I really liked the fast as lightning, and I thought that it would be fun to add in a little lightning bolt here. So that's what I did, and you'll see at the end my other son decided that he needed a lightning bolt too. So we actually added like a little tag on the back corner of his shirt, and I think that looks really neat. So once those are sized and you're happy with them, drag and select each design and use the attach tool in your side panel. This will hold them all together so that when you go to your mat, it won't jumble them around, making you line them up after they're cut out. When you're going to cut them out, remember to choose mirror on. This is going to mirror your image, which you want to do anytime you're using an iron-on material. And when you're cutting out your iron-on material, make sure to put the shiny side down on the mat. Once it is cut out, it is time to weed it. Weeding iron-on material is my favorite kind of weeding. I prefer it over weeding pretty much any other kind of material. There is no transfer tape involved. It doesn't stick to itself. It's just, I love it. And I love all the things that you can make with it. Okay, so once you have it weeded, you can heat up your EasyPress. I am so excited. Cricut has come out with new EasyPresses. It's the EasyPress 2, and they come in a variety of sizes. And so I have the little one here, and it is the perfect size for a smaller project like this. This way I can be really specific where I apply the heat, and it's cute and raspberry as well, so that's fun. When you're looking up the settings for your EasyPress, make sure that you keep in mind if you're using the EasyPress mat or a towel. The EasyPress mat helps hold heat better, so there are different settings. The EasyPress 2 also has mats for each size, so that's really handy. If you are using the standard iron-on, the iron-on light, warm peel back. So that just means peel back the backing when it's still warm as opposed to letting it cool completely like you would with a glitter iron-on. That is it, you guys. They are so easy to make. I'm really in love with how these turned out. I know that my daughter is gonna want one too when she sees them. And honestly, I kind of want one too that says how much I like coffee or something like that. I so hope that you enjoyed this little video and that you're inspired to try something new. If you did like this video, I would so love if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed so you don't miss out on any more DIY or home decor videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.